Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make text outline in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, I add the blue image as a background of this artboard, and then we can go to the toolbar on the left. We can find horizontal type tool, or click and hold. We can find vertical type tool. In this tutorial, I will use horizontal type tool to add the text, and then click on the artboard. Next, we can type. For example, I type outline. And then I want to use move tool and move the text layer to center. And then I enlarge it to make it obvious. And then press enter to apply it. Next, if you want to make the text outline, make sure that we have layers window. If you don't have layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. I go back to layers window, and then we can find the text layer, double click to open the layer style. Next, we can go to stroke, activate it, and select it to find the stroke setting, and then we can increase the size, and we can change the positioning. For example, I use outside, and also we can change the opacity, and we can change the color of outline. For example, I change to white. Next, if you want to make the middle part transparent, we can go back to blending options and then go to advanced blending. We can change the fill opacity to 0. If you're happy with this, we can press OK to apply the layer style. So this is how we can make text outline in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.